All right, bad ads marketing breakdown where I show you how to take sales copy that kind of sucks and make it better. All right, so here we have Hungry Howie's Pizza. Okay, I don't know if it's where you live, but it's actually a delicious pizza franchise. Hungry Howie's, it's awesome. They're known for is having flavored crust like garlic butter and some things like that. Super good. So here they are, looking for a new, they want to sell their franchise. All right. I just got this ad. Hungry Howie's Pizza. Open a Hungry Howie's Pizza franchise. 8 years, same store sales growth, 550 stores and growing. Financial qualifications, 100K liquid and 300K net worth. Now, so many things wrong with this. They're putting a lot of money behind it. You can tell because it's got 370,000 views and all these comments and different things. But it's not good comments per se, and it's not quality like targeted helpful comments. So here's the problem: is one, this headline, chat now in Messenger, send message. That doesn't make sense in this case. You don't need to do that. But they're not really doing a great job at all selling this, which is a bummer because the pizza's so good. And maybe it's a great franchise to own. I don't know. So what they're trying to do is sell us by saying 8 years same store sales growth. Horrible way to word it. 550 stores and growing. That's okay. It's kind of just what they're trying to do is strengthen it by saying our company's awesome because we have this many stores and we're growing, which is it's not very good. Very, very okay. Financial qualifications: 100K liquid and 300K net worth. I see why they're putting it here is because they don't want to waste time talking to people who don't have $100,000 they can put down and a net worth of 300K. Financial qualifications for a franchise, this is standard. However, I don't think it needs to be right here. I don't think it needs to be on the outside of the ad. It might be on the next page. The other horrible thing they're doing is this video. It's like a minute long, and it interviews franchisees owners like David. He's got 12 stores. But the whole thing is talking about an app that the franchisee owners, if you own a franchise, you get a special app that helps you track sales and stuff from your store. That's the whole video, is talking about the app and how it helps you. Like, that's great, and that's cool. It's a perk of being a franchisee owner, but it's definitely not what you need to put in this video. This video needs to be painting the picture and the dream of how great it's going to be, how good life will be once you own a Hungry Howie's franchise. The sales copy as well, right? So you get a little magic button here. And we need to help these guys. Nothing here stops the scroll. You know, I saw the Hungry Howie's. I would have rather this been an ad for some kind of pizza deal. This is horrible. All right, open a Hungry Howie's pizza franchise. Man, let's sexify the offer and let's go with something like. So, what would a franchise owner want, or a potential franchisee owner? I know people who have bought into franchises. What they're basically looking to do, typically, if you're going to start with one and own a franchise, is you basically want to be your own boss. You basically want to get out of the rat race and hopefully be in an industry you enjoy. If you're into pizza and restaurant and food, man, this is a great franchise. So let's think like, are you ready to escape the rat race and be your own boss? Hungry Howie's Become a Hungry Howie's I almost want to be like, we could say become a Hungry Howie's franchisee, franchise owner. It almost might be more fun. Own your own Hungry Howies. And start living your dream today. Little cliche of a line, but it actually might be pretty powerful read by the right person. There's a pizza emoji. Pizza plus money. Because, right, we're selling the dream. That's what he's trying to do, or this company's trying to do. Sell you the dream of being your own boss, owning your own franchise. It's going to be awesome. 8 years, like, you can probably even hide all of this over to the landing page. I probably wouldn't put any of it here. I would probably just work on painting the preferred picture of their future and get them dreaming about what it would look like. Because here's the other thing is nobody clicking this ad is going to actually take action yet. It's going to take a ton of retargeting, a ton of hits, and a ton of views to do something as big as get somebody to sign up for a franchise. And then you can come up with things like, on the outside, what would be awesome is most franchise owners take home over 6 figures in their first year. Again, this has to be truthful, but you need to go in and find these very attractive nuggets and pull them out, okay? And this might be a very, I hope this is true. I hope most franchise owners take home over 6 figures in the first year. Even if it was the second year, that'd still be very attractive. I know a guy who signed up for a different pizza franchise because they promised him $90,000, and he still signed up. So let's see. Most franchise owners take home over 6 figures in the first year. We hold your hand every step of the way to ensure your success. We'll provide the proven system. You provide the hustle. You provide the effort. Interested in a life of fun and freedom? Well, I'd say watch this video below, but they need to change the video. Click below. Schedule a free call with our franchise team. You know, as simple as that is, it's pretty powerful. Are you ready to escape the rat race and be your own boss? Because remember, you got to know your market, who you're writing to, all right? Own your own Hungry Howies and start living your dream today. Most franchise owners take home over 6 figures in the first year. We hold your hand every step of the way to ensure your success. So we'll provide the proven system. You provide the effort. Interested in a life of fun and freedom? Click below and schedule a free call with our franchise team. P.S. Yes, you can have all the free pizza you want. Boom. That's a good ad right there. That's fun, that's quick, that's fast. I had to just jump on and do this one for you. It's Hungry Howies. Come on, guys. We got to step our game up. We want to get some franchisee owners. You know what I'm saying? All right. Oh, and second, don't do this messenger thing unless you got something cool in place. I'm a huge fan of chatbot ads. This is not the time or place to do it. In fact, we're probably just going to have the generic one with 3 options. Okay, it's not generic, but it's still not great. Are you interested in buying a Hungry Howies franchise? Yep. See what they do. Come on. So this is an automated chat bot. Hit me. There we go. We love to speak with entrepreneurs who share our passion for restaurant ownership. Would you like to chat? Okay, not bad. I'm not super hating on it. It's great now they have me as a messenger subscriber. They can remarket to me. They can retarget me, and they can follow up. So they did okay here. I'd give them a B minus. Could step this up a little bit more. We got videos not appropriate. Like it doesn't make sense. Get it out of here. And then let's get them. Let's get your customers drooling and wanting the dream. All right, I still love you, Hungry Howies. You need to step up your ad game, though. All right, guys. Now, if you want any more tips and tricks like this, you want to be notified when more bad ads marketing breakdowns come out, and I'll be giving these tips. Something I like to do. Subscribe, hit the like button, and then I got a link below that's going to teach you how to write sales copy as well. See you guys on the other side.